Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Tingnan muna natin yung big picture which is monthly time frame dahil kaka-close lang. Kung makikita natin, BTC is nag-close ng red candle forming pin bar and average yung volume. BTC still forming bullish flag pattern. Meron tayong support area here and meron tayong resistance area here. Kung makikita natin sa weekly time frame, meron pa rin tayong rejection dito. So still, this is a lower high. Sign of weakness for BTC. Kung makikita natin sa daily time frame is nag-create na naman yung BTC ng another lower low. So what happened yesterday? After breakout niya sa falling wedge, nagkaroon tayo ng weakness sa lower time frame which is lower high, and currently bumubulusok pababa yung BTC. So what we expect sa ganitong scenario, the moment na magkaroon tayo ng another lower high, rejection natin sa resistance area, possible to continue yung downtrend for BTC. But the moment na basagin ni BTC yung resistance and pakitaan niya tayo ng volume, possible na magkaroon tayo ng weakness sa selling pressure.